What's up, everybody? Another week, another dollar. Today is Sunday, December 6th, 2020, and these are the top 5 things you need to know before the trading week kicks off. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, whether you're watching on YouTube or listening on iTunes or Spotify. So let's get started. Coronavirus headlines will once again be the main driver of market sentiment in the week ahead. COVID cases continue to spread across the country, leading to some states and cities to reimpose social distancing restrictions in order to slow the spread of the virus. We saw California announce such measures towards the end of last week. Still, with that being said, what might matter more to the market in the week ahead will be more vaccine headlines. A US FDA health advisory panel meets on Thursday to discuss whether to recommend the emergency use authorization of the COVID vaccine developed by Pfizer and its German partner BioNTech. Stimulus developments will also be on the radar in the week ahead. Essentially, perhaps the biggest driver for this month's incredible rally on Wall Street, in addition to the positive vaccine headlines, obviously, have been hopes for an imminent fiscal stimulus deal in the U.S. U.S. congressional Democrats and Republicans last week submitted proposals for a new relief bill in a bid to pass it through Senate before the end of the year. Both sides have agreed to return to the negotiating table and restart talks on a compromised $908 billion stimulus bill. So be on the lookout for those developments as the week kicks off. This week will also feature the last batch of the Q3 earnings reports, as the earnings season has all but wound down. Costco, Lululemon, GameStop, Adobe, Oracle, and Broadcom will likely attract most of the attention. Another name which reports results and needs to be on your radar is MongoDB, which I highlighted as my stock of the week in my new Sunday post for Investing.com. So go check that out later on. The link should appear right here. In what will be a busy week on the IPO front, DoorDash and Airbnb are both expected to make their trading debuts. DoorDash, which will trade under the ticker symbol DASH, D-A-S-H, expects to raise over $3 billion after targeting an even higher price range for its IPO in the range of $90 to $95 per share. That would value the restaurant delivery startup at more than $35 billion. Airbnb, meanwhile, is expected to go public at a time when the travel sector is still being disrupted by the pandemic. Expectations are high, though. Airbnb, which will trade under the ticker ABNB, set a projected target range of $44 to $50 a share for its IPO. The company plans to sell 50 million shares on its first day of trade. And finally, on the data front, initial jobless claims due on Thursday will be the highlight of the week on the economic calendar, particularly after last week's disappointing November jobs report. Besides jobless claims, there are a few more economic reports to watch in the week ahead. We get November consumer price inflation figures on Thursday. Producer price inflation figures then follow on Friday. You can track the data as it is being released in real time on Investing.com's economic calendar. So that's it for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for those tuning in on the podcast. Thank you for listening. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe and stay healthy.